I believe this fuel boiling issue is due to previously having a deadheaded setup. The fuel between the fuel pump and carburetor would get so hot that the fuel started boiling after driving for a while. My solution to this problem is a simple gadget made of a 5/16 inch brass T with a Poly 60 main jet JB welded into it. After I let it fully cure, I sanded it smooth, then installed it to the return line that goes back to the fuel tank. I had no fuel boiling issues since. In fact, it also stabilized my idle quality after all my cruising around, whereas before, my idle quality would always be a bit rough. Thanks.